In today's video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp number ban. A current message similar to this is being displayed while you try to log into your account. Using your phone number, there can be two cases. Either if it is a temporary ban or it also could be a permanent ban. So if you see a timer being displayed, that simply means that your account has been temporarily banned, so you'll need to wait out 24 to 48 hours before the issue is automatically fixed. But however, if you see a similar screen where you do not see a timer, this simply means that your account has been permanently banned. So in this situation, what you can only do is request a review. So you can just tap on request a review, and then you'll need to add in the exact explanation and then create a polite message and then submit this. So once you submit this, WhatsApp will do a security check and review your account, and if your account is actually banned or have done any sort of violations, your account would not be retrieved. But if you have not done anything and if your security check is complete, you should be able to retrieve your account and log into your WhatsApp account. So by following this exact process, you'll be able to fix the WhatsApp number banned error. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.